Part 2. Hey everybody, Lone Star Rocker Channel here. Today I'm in Washington D.C. and we are at the American History Museum, so we're going to walk through here and learn a little something. This should be interesting. Wow, I'm a big Jim Henson fan. Look at that. The original Kermit. Rooster fighting spurs. A little spooky. Babe Ruth autograph baseball. It's Charlie McCarthy. It's an original Disney print. The Man of Steel. It's the original costume. Muhammad Ali. Fiddler on the Roof. It's Howdy Doody time. Oscar the Grouch and Mr. Rogers' sweater. Wow. And there's Elmo. The Batman TV series. Oh wow, it's very cool. Very awesome. It's Archie Bunker's chairs. They still look pretty comfortable. Definitely sat in though. Rocky memorabilia. Sorry about that. Now, is that the egg from Howard the Duck? Or is that from, nope, it's from Aliens. That looks like the flubber jacket. Nope, that's Bill Nye the Science Guy. And from Jurassic Park. Create the dinosaurs. There's no place like home. There's no place like home. Bit of Freemason stuff there. Creeps me out. It's the Nancy Reagan power suit. She means business. Mary Todd Lincoln. That's good. The Grant Mobile. Oh boy, all the presidents, but maybe this is when things started going wrong here for America. I don't know. It's an old chair from Congress. They're making laws. Washington's chair. It looks comfy. Bring me chair and bring me liberty. The old ballot box when you used to vote in one day and it was over. The gunboat. Wow, I can see the cannons on there. See the little cannon there. It's an 1840s telescope. You can probably still see the rings of Saturn. The history of lunch boxes here, in case you had any of these lunch boxes. The Woody Woodpecker. Oh, the monkeys, the Partridge Family. Very cool. Get smart. Awesome. Waterloo Boy Kerosene. It's not Abraham Lincoln's hat. Is that the GE electric light bulb man? I don't think anything's gonna happen. It might be that everybody has to do. Oh, there it is. Boing. Violet, what do you think of the museum?
It's pretty cool and fun. Yeah.
It's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
There's lots of stuff here I've never seen, but just little pieces of American history.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, yes. Strap yourself in, ladies. Here's what the first mouse looked like. Some original computers. Fascinating coin collection.
I guess so.
What is this?
It's the Owl of Minerva. Otole vato. Now that's my kind of ride. Wow. Now that's a locomotive. Wow, that is a mega train. Stop signs, gas pumps, service station gear from back in the day. Automobile badges. Flying Merkel. Is that a Studebaker? Nope. That is a styling bike right there. It's like stepping back into a time capsule. Very old Bible. Belonged to Stokely Sturgis. It's a Lincoln Parade axe. Old oil lamps. There's Uncle Sam's outfit. Wow, what's this here? Look at this amazing clock. It's an old boating booth. Ah, the Eye of Providence. Great Seal of the United States. Hey, so that was just a little piece of the American History Museum, little pieces of history that they've collected, and there was a little bit of movie memorabilia mixed in with American history. Always awesome to see. But we're gonna be here for a while to check out more museums. I'm gonna upload something cool to watch. If you like what you see, please subscribe, and I want y'all to keep on rocking. There's no place like home. There's no place like home.